Very good morning, students. Let us look into the next topic called Latch. Before getting into Latch, we will go through a small intro for Latch. Latch is nothing but a basic memory element which is used for storing single bit information. Okay, so latch is a memory element which is used to store one bit information. It can store either 0 or 1. There are several types of latches: SR latch, D latch, JK latch and T latch. So we have already done with SR latch, D latch, JK latch. In this session we will see about T latch. Now T latch is an extension of JK latch. Okay, point 1. T latch is an extension of JK latch. JK latch is an extension of SR latch. Can you see? Here we have taken SR latch, okay, and then we have constructed JK latch. Okay, we have taken SR latch and constructed JK latch. This is the construction of JK latch which we have seen in JK latch, right? Since JK latch is an extension of SR latch, in JK latch we have taken SR latch and used two NAND gates to construct JK latch. Now I am saying T latch is an extension of JK. So what is that I am going to do? I am going to take as such JK latch. This is a diagram. This is a circuit diagram for what? JK latch. I'm going to take JK latch and connect the J terminal and K terminal to form a single terminal called T. Okay, so this is the only change I'm going to do. So what is that I'm doing? I'm taking SR latch and constructing a JK latch. After constructing a JK latch, I truncate the terminals of J and K, bind it to form a single terminal called T. So if you want to know about this construction, you want to understand about this diagram, you can see JK latch video. So in JK latch video, we have clearly explained how to construct this circuit diagram. So we are going to see T, which is nothing but extension of JK. So we are taking a JK circuit diagram, extending this J lead and K lead and forming it as T. Now let us see the truth table. So what is the truth table? So there are three things you need to write. T, present state, next state. So first we know T and present state, it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Or you can say when T is 0, T is a single input. It can be 0 or 1. When T is 0, the present state can be either 0 or 1. If T is 1, the present state can be either 0 or 1. So you have to write this truth table and see what will be the next state for it. So let us do this. When T is 0, so immediately I need to make what T as 0. What is my Q and what is my state? Q state? Q state is 0. So in the place of Q, I have written 0. Now see, when Q is 0, what happens to Q bar? Q bar is a complement of Q. So 0 becomes what? 1. Since T is 0, T input is nothing but going to J, so 0. And same T input is going to K, it is 0. Okay. Now what is that we are going to do? The Q naught out Q. The Q is feeding as an input to K. So what is there in Q? Q is 0. So 0 comes through this wire and feeds here. Q bar is given to J. So what is the value of Q bar? 1. So go and feed it to J. Now come on. Let us see this. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 complement is 1. So yes input is 1. We are done with this. Now come down. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 complement is 1. So our input is 1. Now what you need to do? Immediately you need to go and check what? Q. Q is 0. So that wire comes through this and comes here. So the 0 comes here. So R is 1. Other input is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 complement is 1. This 1 goes directly to this terminal, to this NAND gate. So you know yes input is 1. Other input is 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 complement is 0. So present state is 0. Whatever we are getting in the next state is also what? 0. How? 1 into 1, 1. 1 complement is 0. So next state is also 0. Okay. Now let us see one more example. So always what you need to do, you need to first go and change the values. Now let us see the next value. What is the next value? 0, 1. What I need, t is 0, present state is 1. T is 0, present state is 1. Okay. If it is 0, j is 0, k is 0. Since present state is 1, next complement of it is 0. So what happens? Q is going as the input of k. Q bar is going as the input of j. What is Q bar? 0. What is Q? 1. So 0 into 0. First you need to start from the top, then you need to go to the bottom. From bottom you need to get the answer to S and then find the next state. Is it clear? First we will start from the top. 0 into 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. So S is 1, done. Now come to the bottom. 0 into 1, 0, 0 complement is 1. So R is 1. Immediately go to the top. Q is 1. So bring that Q here. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 complement is 0. Now 0 is the bottom. Bring it to the top. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 complement is 1. So you should end like this. You should come to this stage at the last. So 0 into 1 is 0. 0 complement is 1. So when t is 0, q is 1. What is q of n plus 1 next state? 1. So write 1 here. Similarly do for the next thing. What is the next thing? T is 1, q is 0. T is 1, q is 0. If t is 1, what happens? J is 1, k is 1. You know k is connected to q, j is connected to q bar. So what is q value? 0. So 0 is connected here. Q bar value is 1. Q bar is connected here. So first you need to start from the top. 1 into 1, 0, 0 complement. Sorry, 1 into 1, 1, 1 complement is 0, done. Come down, 1 into 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. So we are done. Again go up. What is the value of q? Q is 0. Bring that 0 directly here. 1 into 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. Bring this 1 directly here. 1 into 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. So can you see? The next q of n plus 1 is 1. So write 1 here. Last final one, we will see the final one. What is final one? T is 1, Q is 1. Make T as 1. Make Q as 1. Since T is 1, J is 1, K is 1. Since Q is 1, pass that 1 Q to the K. Q bar is 0 to what? J. Always you need to start from the top. Okay, 1 into 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. Done. Come to the bottom. 1 into 1, 1, 1 complement is 0. Again go to the top. Q is 1. So bring that 1 here. So 1 into 0, 0, 0 complement is 1. Bring that 1 to the top. 1 into 1, 1. 1 complement is 0. So Q of n plus 1 is 0. Now fill this. Now what is that you understand from the truth table? When T terminal is 0. Whatever you have in the present state or previous state will same in the next state. In the previous state, whatever you had will be same in the next state. So there will not be any change. But when T input is 1, what happens? Qn and Qn plus 1 are complement to each other. 0, if Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 will be 1. If Qn is 1, Qn plus 1 will be 0. So you say when T is 1, the output toggles. What is toggling? 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. That is why we call this as T latch. What is T latch? Toggle latch. When T is 1, the output toggles. When T is 0, output remains same. That is the functionality of T latch. Thank you.